can you do a little dance for me?
Come on. So some things are built in, they already have it in the program. All you have to do is just drag that widget, and that's one of them.
What is that, Tai Chi?
Oh, wow. Very good balance.
Does it walk?
Yes. If I can walk.
Hello, I'm Spike. My internet address is 169, 254, 163, 61. This is the Icahn Engineering Department.
So this is just putting the program on him, and then you touch his sensors, and he does whatever. So
Oh my god.
we just threw like a bunch of things together. So we use this when we do open houses and the tables and all this, just to get, because we're the cool department and we do all kind of stuff like this.
Welcome
So-
to Howard College.
Robot Lab built it, it's $15,000. So we didn't build it.
I love you.
Oh my god.
So this is a now robot. He has AI capabilities. Two ways you can make him do stuff, right? So there's a program, like a drag and drop program, and we upload the robot and it does whatever it is with the sensors. The other one is AI capability, which is he can interact. He has a website. Like you upload, like let's say your PowerPoint presentation to the website, and you tell it that okay, it needs a little bit of programming. You just tell it okay if you want him to pause for like read this. He reads the slide. You tell him the slide. You put the text in the website, like the website, and he'll read it. In the meantime, the slide will will produce to the next one, and he'll pause and he'll read it again and stuff like this. But also, you can actually interact with him. Now, this is, remember how they said AI is like a drunken toddler? The ultimate target. So sometimes he talks to you, but now if it's too loud, he'll do this. Sometimes he'll talk to you, sometimes he won't. I still don't know like why he does what he does. We have two of these.
Does he have a name?
So this guy's name is Spike. The other one name is, they gave him some weird name, but they're not robots. So if you look it up, it's a not robot. So let's see if you're actually going to do something. And now you can do facial recognition with him, so you can see like his eyes. When his eyes are blue, I mean he's actually looking. So, what is your name? No. Okay. So sometimes he does. We'll just do Charlie. Yeah. So sometimes he does the AI part. Sometimes he doesn't. I never know what. So we're just gonna.
He's giving you attitude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for this one, I had to download the song, cut it as a snippet, and then it has like a dance. So he just had the dance, and I had to add the music to it. So you can do a lot of different things to it. You can also program it with Python and C++, so you can really get into to do like things that you want.